Hello, my sweet friends! Welcome back to another fabulous small group phonics lesson. Today we're going to be continuing our practice with letter C, and Miss Neal likes to call this magic C, because if we know how to write C, there's a lot of other letters that we can write just by knowing how to write letter C. So let me show you how that works. Let's practice uppercase and lowercase c first. So we're going to start at the top and draw uppercase C, which is just a big curve. For lowercase c, same thing but smaller. We start in the middle and draw a little curve. I'm going to show you guys how we can turn this little c into other letters. So let's say that I was trying to write the letter D, lowercase d. Well, if I start with a C, the only thing I have to do is draw a straight line up. And look what I turned it into. A D, that's right. All right, let's try another one with lowercase c. So I'm starting with lowercase c. What happens when I draw a little line down? What letter is it now? Yes, letter A. So I just turned C into letter D and letter A. Let me show you another one. We're going to start with the magic C, and we're going to do a line down and hook. What letter did I turn it into now? Yes, lowercase g. So this can be a great tool to use to help you guys remember which way your D goes. If you always start with that magic C, then you'll never forget which side the bump goes on, because all you have to do is draw that line after your magic C. Hopefully that will help you as we go through the school year. Wonderful job. Let's move on down to number 1. I'm going to say a letter sound, and we're going to write the letter that makes that sound. For number 1, our letter sound is K. K. For number 2, our letter sound is G. G. For number 3, our letter sound is I. I. For number 4, our letter sound is A. A. I'm using my magic C trick. All right, for number 5, our letter sound is D. D. Using that magic C trick again. For number 6, our letter sound is For number 7, our letter sound is For number 8, our letter sound is A. For number 9, our letter sound is P. And for number 10, our letter sound is H. Great job, my friends! All right, let's move on down and put all of these letter sounds into use by spelling some words. For number 11, we're going to spell the word skip. 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 Wonderful! We have a friend in our class named Skip. All right, for number 12, we're going to spell the word skin. Skin. Oh, I hear that sk again, that SK blend we've been working on. In. Skin. Wonderful! All right, my friends, for number 13, I want you to write the letter that makes the K sound. K. Well, we know that this letter makes K because we learned it yesterday. And we also know that this letter makes K because we learned it today. Great job. All right, let's move up here to number 14. We're going to do some more practice with spelling. For number 14, we're spelling the word can. Can. So that k sound is going to be letter C. K. An. Can. For number 15, let's spell the word cat. Cat. K. At. Cat. And for number 16, we're going to spell the word cost. Cost. K. Ost. Cost. Wonderful! All right, my friends, let's move on down and do some coding practice. We're going to do several of these together, and then I'm going to let you guys finish it on your own. For number 17, where is our vowel? Yes, letter A is our vowel. Does our vowel have a consonant after? Yes, so we're coding it with the short symbol. Let's read this word. K, app, cap. Wonderful, let's look at number 18. Where's the vowel in this word? Yes, letter A is our vowel. Do we have a consonant after? Yes, letter P is closing the door on letter A and making it have the short sound. Read this word with me. K, o, ap, clap. Do you guys know what Miss Neal forgot to do? We forgot to draw our K back on our C. Remember that K back helps us know that this is making the K sound, because C is a magic letter and it can make two sounds. Later on, we're going to learn the other sound it can make. That's why we want to mark it to know this is making the same sound that letter K makes. So we're going to mark this one with a K back as well, because it's making the K sound. All right, let's try number 19. K, o. Where's our vowel? That's right, letter I. So we're going to code our vowel with the short symbol because it has a consonant after it. We're also going to put that K back on our C because it's making the K sound. Read it with me. K, o, ip, clip. Great job! All right, sweet friends, do numbers 20 through 26 on your own, and then come back and we'll check your answers. Get ready to pause the video. And pause. And you're back! All right, let's check those awesome answers you guys got. For number 20, we coded our vowel with the short sign, and we drew a K back on our C. Read it with me. K, op. Crop. There you go, friends. All right, for number 21, we coded our vowel with the short sign. We had to mark out one of our double consonants, and we drew a K back on our C. Read it with me. K, os, cross. That's awesome. All right, let's move on down to number 22. We drew a short sign on our vowel, marked out one of our S's, and drew a K back on our C. Read it with me. K, o, ass, class. All right, let's move on down to number 23. We coded our vowel with the short symbol, and we marked out one of our double consonants. Read this word with me. G, o, ass, glass. For number 24, we coded our vowel with the short symbol, and we marked out one of our L's. Read it with me. Sk, ill, skill. There's that SK blend we've been working on. Great job. For number 25, we coded our vowel with the short sign, and we drew a box around our suffix because we had that suffix S at the end. Read this word with me. Ops. Drops. Wonderful! Last one. For number 26, we coded our vowel with the long symbol because there's no consonant here to close the door, so it's screaming its name. Read it with me. S-O. So. That is an awesome job, my friends! Keep up the fantastic work. Don't forget to flip it over and try the back side on your own. And I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, friends.